My workshop was doing the pest weeds, and what we did was we involved it when we were doing our birds as well. We just walked up the track up there, and whilst we were doing all our bird listening for all our birds, noticed a few weeds in there, such as the blackberry, privets, woolly nightshade, and that was about it pretty much, which is a good thing. One thing I did notice was the native plants, the abundance of all the native plants that were in there. And with the understory coming away with all those native plants, a lot of that stuff will shade out all the weeds, and some weeds are sunlight generated. And because of the understory, it'll kind of push all those weeds out really. So it's kind of looking after itself in a way. And so not all that much weeds besides some of these trees around here, but yeah, that's about it really. And for me, I suppose I'm not all that expert at the old at the weeds, but what I do know is the difference between a weed or exotic plant to a native, and whatever's not native to me is a weed that shouldn't be there. So that's about all. That's about as expert I can get, really. Then that's what I seen once when we did our little hikoi up the track.